Well, we're Russ and Barb Ford. We live here in Hershey, Pennsylvania. We're at the RV show. And our favorite dealership, Colton RV, where we have now about to buy our third Tiffin open road, 36 LA. And we're excited. Yes, dear.
Someone does a lot of research before he makes a decision. And I had said, because we'd had a larger one before and I wanted a smaller one. So he did all the research and we came to look at smaller ones. And I wasn't thrilled, so I wandered away with a cute salesman who happened to work for Tiffin Colton. And when you found me, the deal was done.
Yeah.
Wow.
He said, look at these cabinets. And I said, fine. Good, this is what I wanted in the first place. I'd certainly had looked at Tiffin, but her desire to have something smaller sort of steered me away because they weren't making the smaller versions then. But when that all happened, it all just turned around to, and it made sense. It had a lot more storage, we have grandkids, and it worked out well.
Comfort, closet space,
Cabinets,
cabinets.
colors. So I got hooked on a gas Class A just because of the simplicity of repair. I mean, diesels are more powerful, but our geography doesn't really take us out west where that would be a problem. We tow a car. The quality of the Tiffin product and its finishes is just, for the price point, I don't think can be beat. In terms of normal driving, we're in the middle Atlantic. You know, there are some mountains around here. If you have a gas F53 Ford chassis, I can take it to any Ford dealer. I can take it to any dealer, and they can pretty much work on it. The diesel takes a lot more. Diesel gas is more expensive. The downside is, particularly if you're towing a car, if you're going up an extended hill, you're going to have to drop down through all the gears. It doesn't really bother me, but it could bother a lot of other people.
We go to Hilton Head for 2 months in the late winter, early spring, and stay at a really nice RV resort.
Where do you guys stay?
Hilton Head
Motor
RV
Coach
Resort.
Okay.
And it's just really comfortable. I say it's like having an apartment on wheels, size of a New York City apartment. So it's really comfortable.
That raises an interesting thing about the coach we've chosen, which is we also camp at state, national parks. An RV over the 36, 37, 38 feet can't go a lot of those places. That diversity is also what kind of drives us into the choice we've made.
He wanted to go to Greece and planned out this elaborate trip. And I said, why should we go so far when there's so many things in this country we haven't seen? And he said, like what? And I said, Mackinac Island. I've always wanted to go to Mackinac Island. So you planned a long trip to the Upper Peninsula of Michigan. We had beautiful weather, great camp places. It was just a good trip. Grandchildren. But some of them are aging out. They're in college, they're in high school, but they still want to come to the lake.
Well, some of them grew up on the lake and in the campground. Friends, we have day trip friends, but not.
They don't stay over.
No, they come and visit, which is fine.
Perfect. Yes.
I mean, probably the biggest factor coming back to Colton is the service department there. We've gotten to know Sean and Jim. I have their cell phone numbers. I mean, they're just marvelous in terms of both what they do, but also how they represent the company. I don't care where you buy a vehicle, whether it's an RV or anything else. We've all experienced issues with service. But if you kind of know the people, and it doesn't hurt that my name's Ford, that always usually gets a little bit more attention from the service department. But yeah,
they've been wonderful at Colton.
Yeah, pleasure negotiating with Sarah. She's been great.
Thank you guys.
Thank you.